Ahmed has been jailed for 12 weeks for dangerous driving after sending and reading text messages at the wheel before a fatal accident. He had pleaded guilty to dangerous driving on the southbound carriageway of the M1 near Rotherham on Christmas Day in 2007. Well, Chris Buckler is at Sheffield Crown Court now. Chris.
Lord Ahmed was not responsible for causing the death of the man who died in that accident on the M1. However, during a subsequent police investigation, it was found that he had been using his mobile phone in the minutes beforehand while driving.
I, Nazir Lord Ahmed, do swear by Almighty God that I will
Nazir
be
Ahmed
faithful
arrived in the UK at the age of 11, unable to speak English. He's now a member of the House of Lords, a recognition for his community work. He's been a politician, a businessman and even a magistrate. But he arrived at court today knowing that he was facing the real possibility of a prison sentence. On Christmas Day 2007, his car crashed into another vehicle on the M1 in South Yorkshire. Its driver, Martin Gumbar, was killed. His car had already been involved in an accident and was lying across two lanes on a dark stretch of the motorway.
A short time before the crash, Lord Ahmed had been sending and receiving a series of text messages while driving at around 60 miles an hour. He had stopped using the phone around 3 miles before he hit Mr. Gumbar's car, and the judge made clear that there was no causal link between his use of the mobile and the crash. However, he said his deliberate and prolonged use of the mobile over a period of some 16 minutes required a custodial sentence.
Tests found that Martin Gumbar, who died in the crash, had been drinking. And outside court, Lord Ahmed's solicitor criticised the jail term handed down, although he said his client accepted the sentence.
He approached it with great dignity, and he says if that is the law, if that's what the law says, then that's what must be. I, on the other hand, tend not to agree with him. I'm extremely disappointed with that sentence. I am sorry to say that I find it inappropriate, and I think he's been used as a scapegoat.
Mr. Gumbar's relatives were also in court for today's sentencing. They felt the 12-week prison term wasn't enough.
Lord Ahmed will serve half of that sentence in jail and the other half on licence. The police did make a short statement after sentencing today. They said they hoped the case would send out a very important safety message.
Chris Buckler, thank you very much. President Obama has warned that